I get it. Cubes look small when I'm using them. I don't think I have the largest hands in the world, but I'm just used to it. But you know what? For you, I'll use a cube that is the correct size. The QiYi 18 centimeter or 180 millimeters if you're good at math. This is the 18 centimeter sail. I have not added any lubrication to it. Let's just talk about this. Let's look inside. Let's see if we can get the can we tension this? What is there any tensioning besides a screw? I don't know. There's just a screw. I think I just have to do a solve on this. So a couple things, I guess. It is matte plastic. There's no lubrication in it right now, and it performs fine. Let's just look at a regular cube next to it. A regular cube almost fits in, does fit inside that piece. I'm gonna add, actually I need something bigger. We're gonna go for some classic SpeedCube lube, weight 0.5. I don't know how old this is. If you know last time they had weight 0.5 lube at SpeedCube shop, maybe they still do. Let me know. Cameron, if you're watching, let me know. Okay, so we're just gonna, actually, there looks like there's some lubrication on the feet, but definitely want some more. Woo! Uh-oh, that's a lot. A lot just dumped in there. I don't know what I expected. And let's put some right here. Okay, let's just scramble it up. Now there are no magnets in here. I definitely might go ahead and magnetize it. Actually, let's just take a piece out. We've got green on top. Ooh, that's actually hard to get a piece out. I might have to unscrew it a little bit to get this out. There we go. Okay, simple enough. I could put some magnets in there. Curious though, I'll have to check the strength and see if I can just use regular magnets and the plastic's thick enough or thin enough that it's not gonna be an issue, or I need like much stronger magnets. Okay, that looks pretty scrambled to me. I don't know the best way of solving this. I remember I did like an online competition and we all tried solving the giant ones and it turned out. Some people had some great strategies, so I don't have a strategy for this, or if I did, I forgot it. But let's see here, let's do, okay. Actually, cross I can do pretty nicely. Ooh. And I've got the first pair. Okay, so. Fancy move here. Not gonna do that, OLL. I'm too looking this one. Ah! Here we go. Ooh, gonna have a corner skip. Then I'd say that was pretty good. The he shoe was the one that people used before. Now actually, says this is 18 and this is 18, but they're different. Do I have a ruler anywhere? I don't think I do. We'll use math. So this piece is about 6 centimeters. You can see, let's get it exactly 6. Whoop, too far. So it's about 6. This one, I think this is technically over 18. But I don't have something large enough to measure it. Probably a ruler somewhere. But it's slightly bigger than the QiYi one. So this should be available soon. When it is, I'll put a link in the description. If it is already, let me know. But if you get it at SpeedCube Shop, use discount code SCR to save at checkout and help support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews. Here we go.